Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hack Block Blast. A Block Blast cheat is any tool, app, or methods for player to gain advantages in this popular puzzle game on Android and iOS alike. While there are multiple working hacks out, online tools and do not exist. By far the most popular method of gaining an edge in Android and iOS mobile games is use of modified game client in the form of APK mods and iOS modded apps. These are modified repackaged version of original app created by professional software engineers through decompiling and reverse engineering. This accessible cheating method is easy to use but needs frequent updates to match each Block Blast game update. Another popular way to get better scores and more trophies in Block Blast is the use of memory editors and data editing tools. The modding tools can easily be used to modify your score value and trophies as long as the data point are still proceed, client side and not any game servers. The app can also be patching using app like Lucky Patcher or Jazzy Patcher to remove ads and activate other powerful features. Another method that is becoming more and more powerful and usable in puzzle game like Block Blast is the use of AI chatbots to solve the puzzle more effectively. By simply taking a screenshot and describing the problem to an AI chatbot, these tools can present players with effective solutions to many puzzles and give them the best strategies. While at this moment this way of solving mobile game puzzle is not 100% effective yet, this will get more powerful over time. AI will able to see your screen in real time. In theory, it is also possible to create bots and script to automatically play Block Blast, but as it is a single player game can be played offline. Also, while currently it's possible to get unlimited scores and trophies in the game, this may change as the game evolves and implements more monetization. They may store important values online in the future as many successful mobile games have done before. It's best to play fair and enjoy the game is intended. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.